Bore da, good morning. I'm Superintendent Owain Llewellyn and I'm joined here in the Joint Controlling by colleagues from the North Wales Safeguarding Board to formally relaunch the Herbert Protocol. The Herbert Protocol is a process which allows us to improve our response to missing people who have dementia. Approximately 100 people a year are reported missing who suffer from dementia. Often because of its vulnerabilities, they're classified as high risk, and it's vitally important that we have every opportunity to find them and locate them as quickly as possible. In essence, the Herbert Protocol is a document which families and friends can fill in advance of people going missing, which support the police in their search, provides detailed information about their appearance, about how best to communicate with them, places they'd like to frequent, which offers the best opportunity to try and find them. The document can be found on our website, and I would urge families and friends to look at this form, to fill it in, and to enable police officers to be given vital information at the earliest stage in the investigation.
Bore da, hello, my name is Tracy Williamson and I'm Consultant Nurse for Dementia at Betsy Cadwallader University Health Board. This week is Dementia Action Week and we're celebrating the relaunch of the Herbert Protocol. This form can be very useful to families when a person with dementia may go missing, and all the services work together, like ourselves with North Wales Police and others. So whilst not huge numbers of people with dementia in North Wales may go missing, when they do, it has huge human costs both for them and the stress they might experience, but also their families. People with dementia sometimes experience visual disturbances, so they may see shadows on the floor and trip over these thinking that they're at home, and that can add to the danger that people might face. So that's why it's imperative that we find people quickly, and the Herbert Protocol can help us to do this.